In today's video, I'll be showing you how to convert PDF into a Word document 100% editable and accurate. Let's begin. So first, I'm going to show you the traditional way, which is simply opening up your Word document. Your Word app right here. So as you can see, I'm opening the Word right here. So to convert this PDF file, this is the sample PDF that I have right here. To convert this into Word, I simply need to drag this into here. So when I drag it, this dialog will appear. Word will now convert your PDF to an editable Word document. This may take a while. The resulting Word document will be optimized to allow you to edit the text, so it might not look exactly like the original PDF, especially if the original file has contained a lot of graphics. So that is quite disappointing, because Word will not be able to really capture all the text box. Just like, for example, let me just maximize this. So for example, right here, as you can see, every text right here, like every line of the text has its own text box, which is really difficult to edit, or it's such a hassle to edit, because you would have to click on every one of the line right here just to edit it. So that would be really hard for you, especially if you are editing a lot of pages in your PDFs. But now I'm going to show you a method on how you can do this with more accuracy, not like this one where it has a lot of text box and it's not really accurate and grouping them. So what we're gonna do is, first let's minimize our Word document and let's go into our browser right here. Let me just go into my Google Chrome right here, and from here I want to go into the ilovepdf.com, and after that we want to wait for it to load, and from here you want to go and select PDF to Word. Here it is, PDF to Word right here. So you want to click on this one, and from here you want to select the PDF file, and from here you want to navigate into the PDF. So right here, and from here we want to go here, and here it is. Here's our sample PDF we want to open, and from here we want to wait for it, and now convert to Word. Click here on convert to Word, and now it's converting, and now you can download the Word when it's done converting. So download it, and let's see, now it has been downloaded right here. Now we can open it, and as you can see, it's now opening, and as you can see, it's now right here. And now let's enable editing so we can edit. And as you can see, the difference right here, we have this right here. We don't have any text box. We can immediately edit all of this without having to deal with text box like here in our previous example right here, where it's like this, right? It's very difficult to edit it like this one. So with this method, you would actually save a lot of time, and you can navigate. Here we have the work experience, so you can easily navigate right here. So when you go click here, you will be navigated right here at the bottom, so you can see the masters in project management right here. You can navigate it right here, and you can edit it, everything right around here, just like when it is made in a Word document. So with this method, you will actually save a lot of time and a lot of hassle instead of just going to convert here in Word in the traditional way. So I hope this video helped you out and saved you a lot of trouble. Thank you for watching.
If this video helped you out, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe button so that you won't miss our future updates. Thank you for watching.